Microsoft PowerPoint is perhaps one of the most frequently used applications. Presentations have become an important part of both the professional and the academic life. Being efficient in working with PowerPoint can save you precious hours of work. Here come 10 keyboard shortcuts that will help you gain an edge in your work with presentations. Number 1. You can speed up creating presentations by using keyboard shortcuts instead of clicking with your mouse. Instead of clicking New Slide, you can simply press Ctrl M. Number 2. To duplicate slides quickly, select a slide in the sidebar and press Ctrl D. Instantly, you have a perfect copy. Number 3. Use the grid and guides to place objects consistently. Press Shift F9 to toggle guides and Alt F9 for the grid. Number 4. Use hyperlinks in your presentation to navigate to external websites or link to different slides. Press Ctrl K to insert a hyperlink. Number 5. Don't ignore the Notes section. Use it to jot down speaking points for each slide. Press Ctrl Shift H to quickly hide or show the Notes pane. Number 6. If you already have your Notes section visible, you do not have to pick up your mouse to add your notes. Instead, you can use F6 to toggle between all the panes visible on your screen. After a few presses, your cursor will move to the Notes pane. Use Shift F6 to reverse the order of toggling. Number 7. When you have your presentation ready, remember to save it. Of course, if you have stored your presentation on your OneDrive or on SharePoint, then PowerPoint will save it automatically for you, but if you save it in another location, then Ctrl S will save the file. Number 8. Sometimes you may need to prepare handouts for your audience. Press Ctrl P to open the print dialog. Number 9. When you are ready to show your slides, press F5 to start presenting from the beginning. Press Shift F5 to start presenting from the current slide. Number 10. You can eventually access all items in your menu just by using keyboard, even if particular functions do not have a simple keyboard shortcut assigned. To do that, simply press left Alt button. This will toggle visibility for keys assigned with individual menus and other items. To access items from a specific tab in the menu, simply press the key associated with it. This will toggle visibility for keys assigned to individual buttons in the menu. Press the key associated with the button you want to use. If a button has a drop-down list next to it, pressing the key associated with it will expand the drop-down list and you will see keys associated with individual options in the list. We hope that this video will help you speed up your work in Microsoft PowerPoint. It is important to learn the most frequently used keyboard shortcuts. This will really save you quite a lot of time. Make sure to check our other videos to learn more about various Office applications.